Game can't find its code because of the DirectX 9 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. This DLL file is a component of the DirectX 9.0c runtime. It contains helper functions used by games for rendering 3D graphics, including matrix calculations and shader compilation, necessary for mid-2000s PC gaming titles. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as the DirectX 9 update 34 DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the DirectX 9, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering the DirectX 9 update 34 DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to the DirectX 9 synchronization. Thank you for trusting us with your DirectX End-User Runtime repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.